The universe is ancient. It is hard to grasp the vastness of time. Astronomers use powerful telescopes to look back in time, seeing galaxies forming billions of years ago. But even with these tools, we rarely know the exact ages. One thing we do know is the age of our solar system. It formed about 4.6 billion years ago. That's a long time. It's a story worth telling. To understand our place in the cosmos, we must travel back to the beginning, back to the birth of our solar system. Over 4.6 billion years ago, a vast cloud of gas and dust known as a solar nebula floated through the Milky Way galaxy. This nebula was a chaotic swirl of particles, remnants of ancient stars that had lived and died long before. Then something extraordinary happened. Perhaps a nearby supernova explosion sent shockwaves rippling through the nebula, causing it to collapse under its own gravity. As it did, it began to spin, and the once chaotic particles started to coalesce into a flattened disk. The center of this disk grew increasingly hot and dense, eventually igniting to form a new star, our Sun. Around this newborn star, the remaining material began to clump together, forming planetesimals, small, rocky bodies that collided and stuck together over millions of years. These collisions and mergers gave rise to the planets, moons, and other celestial bodies that populate our solar system today. From the fiery birth of the Sun to the formation of planets, our solar system's origin story is a tale of transformation and cosmic wonder. It's a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe, and it sets the stage for the journey through our celestial neighborhood. As we journey through our solar system, it's essential to understand the diverse worlds that orbit our Sun. The planets can be broadly categorized into two main types: terrestrial planets and gas giants. The terrestrial planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are closest to the Sun. These rocky worlds have solid surfaces and are composed mainly of metals and silicate materials. Mercury, the smallest of the lot, is a cratered world battered by asteroids over billions of years. Venus, shrouded in a thick atmosphere, has surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Earth, our home, is the only known planet to support life thanks to its unique atmosphere and liquid water. Mars, the red planet, with its towering volcanoes and deep canyons, hints at a more dynamic past. Further out lie the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn. These colossal planets are composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, has a powerful magnetic field and dozens of moons. Saturn, known for its stunning ring system, is a gas giant with a complex and diverse system of moons. Beyond the gas giants, we find the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. These planets have a similar composition to Jupiter and Saturn, but contain more ices, such as water, ammonia, and methane. Uranus is unique for its tilted axis, which causes extreme seasonal variations. Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, boasts powerful storms and the fastest winds in the solar system. Each of these planets, with their unique characteristics and mysteries, contributes to the rich tapestry of our solar system. Understanding them helps us appreciate the complexity and diversity of the celestial neighborhood we call home. At the heart of our solar system is the Sun. It is a star, a giant ball of hot gas. The Sun's gravity holds the planets in their orbits. It provides the light and warmth that make life on Earth possible. The Sun is incredibly powerful, constantly releasing energy, lighting up our world. The Sun is mostly made of hydrogen and helium. These elements fuse together in the Sun's core, releasing tremendous amounts of energy. This energy travels out from the core, eventually reaching the surface as light and heat. The Sun is a fascinating object. It's worth studying to understand our place in the cosmos. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It is a small, rocky planet. It has a very thin atmosphere, making it vulnerable to the Sun's heat. Mercury has a very short year, orbiting the Sun in just 88 Earth days. Mercury is a world of extremes. The side facing the Sun is scorching hot, while the side facing away is freezing cold. Mercury spins slowly on its axis, taking 59 Earth days to complete one rotation. This means a day on Mercury is longer than its year. Mercury is a fascinating place. It reminds us of the diversity of our solar system. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is similar in size and mass to Earth. Venus has a thick, toxic atmosphere which traps heat and makes it the hottest planet in our solar system. Venus is shrouded in thick clouds, hiding its surface from our view. Venus rotates very slowly, spinning in the opposite direction to most planets. This means the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east on Venus. Venus is a mysterious planet. Its thick atmosphere makes it hard to study, but scientists are learning more about it all the time. Earth, our home. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only one we know of that supports life. It has a unique atmosphere that provides the air we breathe and shields us from harmful radiation. Earth boasts vast oceans, lush forests, and towering mountains. The surface of Earth is constantly changing, influenced by geological processes and the actions of living things. It also has a single moon, a constant companion in our journey through space. Earth is our home, a precious planet that we need to protect. Mars, the red planet. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It's a cold, dusty planet with a thin atmosphere and is known as the red planet due to the iron oxide or rust on its surface. Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos. Mars has been a focus of space exploration. Scientists believe it may have once had liquid water on its surface, suggesting it might have been habitable in the past. Today, rovers explore Mars. These robots search for signs of past or present life. Mars continues to intrigue us, holding clues to the history of our solar system. Jupiter, the king of planets. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in our solar system. It's a gas giant made mostly of hydrogen and helium, with a swirling atmosphere featuring colorful bands and a giant red spot, a massive storm that has raged for centuries. Jupiter has a faint ring system and many moons, four of which, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, are particularly large and interesting. Each of these moons has its own unique features and are worlds in their own right. Jupiter, a colossal planet, reminds us of the vastness of space. Saturn, the ringed wonder. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is another gas giant slightly smaller than Jupiter. Saturn is famous for its spectacular rings. These rings are made of ice and rock particles. They are vast and incredibly beautiful. Saturn's rings are thought to be debris from comets, asteroids, or shattered moons. Saturn also has many moons. One of its moons, Titan, is larger than the planet Mercury. Titan has a dense atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane. Saturn is a breathtaking sight. Its rings are a wonder of the solar system. Uranus, the sideways planet. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is an ice giant composed mostly of water, methane, and ammonia. What makes Uranus unique is that it rotates on its side, meaning its poles are where other planets have their equators. Uranus has faint rings and many moons. Its blue-green color comes from methane in its atmosphere. Truly, Uranus is a strange and fascinating planet. Its unusual tilt makes it stand out in our solar system. Neptune, the distant giant. Neptune is the eighth and farthest planet from the Sun. It is another ice giant, similar in size and composition to Uranus. Neptune has a dynamic atmosphere with strong winds and storms. Neptune also has a faint ring system and several moons. Its largest moon, Triton, is geologically active, with geysers that erupt nitrogen gas. Neptune is a remote and mysterious world representing the edge of our solar system. As we journey through the wonders of our solar system, questions often arise that spark our curiosity and drive our quest for knowledge. Let's delve into some of the most frequently asked questions about our cosmic neighborhood. First, are there other solar systems in the Milky Way? Absolutely. Our Milky Way galaxy is home to billions of other solar systems. Each star you see in the night sky is potentially the center of its own unique solar system, with planets, moons, and other celestial bodies orbiting around it. Next, do solar systems move? Indeed they do. Solar systems, including our own, are in constant motion. The planets orbit the Sun, and the entire solar system orbits the center of the Milky Way galaxy. This movement is part of the grand cosmic dance that has been ongoing for billions of years. Finally, do all stars have solar systems? While many do, not every star has a solar system. Some stars are solitary, while others may have planets and other celestial bodies orbiting them. The discovery of exoplanets, planets outside our solar system, has shown that solar systems are quite common, but not universal. These questions remind us that our quest to understand the cosmos is ever evolving. Each answer leads to new questions, fueling our desire to explore further. What other mysteries lie beyond our solar system? The journey of discovery continues. Exploring the cosmos, our solar system is a vast and incredible place, filled with wonders waiting to be discovered. From the fiery sun to the icy outer planets, there is so much to learn. Space exploration continues to reveal new secrets about our solar system. As we learn more about our own solar system, we also learn more about the universe as a whole. What other wonders await us in the vast expanse of space? We are constantly searching for answers. Keep looking up at the stars. Keep asking questions. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be solved. Share your thoughts and ideas with others. Don't forget to support our channel by subscribing and liking. Let's explore the cosmos together.